Hello there, I'm going to take you through the chest rack windmill. This is a great exercise to get the benefits of a conventional windmill, but eliminating the need for the shoulder, so it takes away any issues you might have with shoulder mobility or injury. So for this, we're going to grab the bell, safely standing up, bringing the kettlebell to the chest rack position. From here, we're going to be leaning towards the bell side, twist the feet over just slightly, and then send the hips back. So we're going to tight right of the hips over, push the button, leaning down so the elbow reaches the inside of the leg as low as we can manage, and then thrust the bum forwards to come up. So really working those obliques and working stability. So bum out, down, and squeeze. Your free hand can go wherever you feel it's most comfortable for you. Complete that on the other side for the number of reps prescribed in your program.